Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in GK session. Today we will do chapter 18 and chapter 19. Chapter 19, that is amazing birds. Okay, in this you have to find the names of the birds in the help box and filling the missing letters. Okay, let's start. The first one is, yes, you all are knowing. Yes, ostrich. The common ostrich, or simply ostrich, is a species of large flightless bird native to certain large areas of Africa. It is one of two extant species of ostriches, the only living members of the genus Trutheo in the Ratitae order of the birds. Ostriches are large flightless birds that have long legs and a long neck that protrudes from a round body. Males have bold black and white coloring that they use to attract females. Let's see the next one. Next one is albatross. Which bird is this? Yes, it's a albatross. Albatross feathered giants have the longest wingspan of any bird, up to 11 feet. The wandering albatross is the biggest of some 24 different species. Albatross use their formidable wingspan to ride the ocean winds and sometimes to glide for hours without rest or even a flap of their wings. Next one is ornithology. Okay, ornithology. Ornithology, a branch of zoology dealing with the study of birds. From the mid 18th to the late 19th century, the major thrust was the description and the classification of a new species as a scientific expedition made collection in tropical areas. Next one is warbler. Warbler are mostly small birds and their slender bills are adapted for gleaning insect from foliage. Their nests vary from simple cups to domed structures placed in trees, bushes or grass or hidden in the ground. Their feeding and nesting habits resemble those of old world warblers. Next bird is Cory bustard. The Cory bustard is one of the world's heaviest flying birds. However, it lives on the ground and is reluctant to fly unless in serious danger. Cory bustards are one of the few species of birds that drink water using a sucking motion rather than scooping. Next one. The next beautiful bird is, yes, robin. The robin is the most familiar and most loved of all our garden birds. Both male and female adult robins have the same distinct red breast and can't be confused with any other UK bird. Though youngsters have a speckled brown breast. Okay, next one is swift bird. In 2.5 years, it flies from its native place to Africa and returns traveling on an average 18 km per day. The swift is a medium-sized aerial bird which is superb flyer. It even sleeps on the wing. It is plain sooty brown, but in flight against the sky, it appears black. It has long, like wings and a short forked tail. Next is penguin. This is also one of the beautiful bird all over the world. Yes, penguin. Penguins are flightless seabirds that live almost exclusively before the equator. While penguins can't fly, their stiff flippers, webbed feet, and slick shape make them expert swimmers. In fact, they spend most of their lives in the oceans and do nearly all of their hunting for krill, squid, and crabs under water. Next is, yes, kingfisher. Kingfishers are a family of small to medium-sized brightly colored birds. in the order of Coraciformes. All kingfishers have large heads, long, sharp, pointed bills, short legs, and stubby tail. Most species have bright plumage with only small differences between the sexes. Next is magpie. Magpie is a large bird in the crow family. It is general scavenger and predator of insects, small mammals and other birds, eggs and young. The word magpie usually means the European magpie, which is very common bird. Next is emu. Emus are soft-feathered brown flightless birds with long necks and legs and can reach up to 1.9 meters in height. Emus can travel great distances and when necessary can sprint at 50 km per hour. They forage for a variety of plants and insects but have been known to go for weeks without eating. And the last one is, yes, owl. Owls are animals in the order Strigiformes. There are 200 species and they are all animals of prey. Most of them are solitary and nocturnal. In fact, they are the only large group of birds which hunt at night. Owls are specialists at nighttime hunting animals. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.